Hello, welcome back to Dream Home Inspiration. Today we're doing something a little different. Instead of just showing a house, I want to share a dream home together with calm motivation. Something you can watch, listen to, and just breathe for a moment. Let's begin.
Some dreams don't arrive with noise. They come softly when the world...
Sometimes life doesn't move the way we expect it to. We make plans, we dream, we imagine a future that feels clear in our hearts. And then life happens. Responsibilities grow. Time feels smaller. And somewhere along the way, we forget to check in with ourselves. If you're watching this right now, maybe you're tired. Not just physically tired, but tired in a way that sleep doesn't fix. Tired of carrying everything. Tired of being strong. Tired of always putting yourself last. And if that's you, I want you to know something. You are not weak. You are not behind. And you are not failing. Some seasons of life are about surviving. Others are about rebuilding. And some are about quietly dreaming again. There is nothing wrong with wanting more peace. There is nothing wrong with wanting a beautiful space. There is nothing wrong with imagining a life that feels lighter. Dreams don't disappear just because life got busy. They wait, they sit quietly, they grow patient with us. And sometimes all a dream needs is a moment of silence to breathe again. Homes are not just walls and windows. They are places where healing happens, where mornings feel softer, where nights feel safe. And maybe you're not building a house right now. Maybe you're rebuilding yourself, brick by brick, day by day, with grace you don't even see yet. It's okay if progress feels slow. Slow doesn't mean stuck. Slow means intentional. Slow means careful. Slow means real. Some of the strongest people are the ones who keep going quietly, without applause, without shortcuts, without giving up. If today feels heavy, let it be heavy. You don't have to rush through it. You don't have to pretend everything is okay. Just breathe. Just stay. Just take this moment for yourself. Because you are allowed to rest. You are allowed to hope. And you are allowed to dream again. Life doesn't need to be perfect to be meaningful. It just needs honesty and patience and a little faith in yourself. So wherever you are right now, let this moment remind you, you are still here. You are still becoming. And your story is still unfolding.
With patience and grace, letting life build something beautiful in its own space.
Sometimes we think life is supposed to move fast. We see other people reaching milestones, finishing goals, living the life we once imagined for ourselves. And without realizing it, we start measuring our journey against someone else's timeline. But life doesn't grow on comparison. It grows in patience. If you're watching this right now, I want you to know that slowing down does not mean you are falling behind. It means you are listening. Listening to what your heart can carry, listening to what your season requires, listening to what truly matters. Not every dream needs to be chased. Some dreams need to be protected, held gently, given time to breathe. Just like a home, life is built layer by layer. You don't see everything at once. You don't rush the foundation. You trust that every piece has a purpose, even the quiet ones. Maybe right now your life feels unfinished, like something is missing or delayed or paused. But unfinished doesn't mean broken. It means still becoming. There is beauty in spaces that are still forming. There is strength in people who keep going quietly. There is courage in choosing peace over pressure. You don't have to prove anything today. You don't have to explain your pace. You don't have to have it all figured out. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is allow yourself to rest without guilt, to dream without urgency, to believe without fear. Homes remind us of this. They remind us that comfort matters, that safety matters, that having a place to breathe is not a luxury, but a necessity. And even if you don't live in a dream home yet, you are still allowed to imagine one. Because imagination is not escape, it's hope. And hope is what keeps us moving even when the road feels long. So wherever you are today, whether you feel strong or tired, certain or unsure, I hope you remember this. You are allowed to move slowly. You are allowed to change your mind. You are allowed to want more peace than perfection. Your life doesn't need to look impressive to be meaningful. It just needs honesty, gentleness, and time. Let this moment be a reminder that you are not late, you are not forgotten, and you are not done. You are still building, still learning, still becoming, and that is more than enough.
Still finding my way, still trusting that tomorrow will meet me halfway. And I don't need to rush the future, I don't need to have it all. I'm learning to stand gently and not be afraid to pause. Homes are built one layer at a time.
You don't need to rush the future. Not everything meaningful arrives quickly. Some of the best things take time to unfold, quietly and gently. It's okay if you're moving slower than you expected. It doesn't mean you're behind. It means you're building something that lasts. Life isn't a race to the finish. It's a series of moments, and each one deserves your attention. So take a breath. Let yourself pause. Trust that what's meant for you will meet you when the time is right. For now, being here is enough.
Letting life build something beautiful in its own space. I'm still becoming, still learning who I am, still believing the dreams I carry are safe in my hands. And if today feels quiet,
I hope this video gave you a little peace and a quiet moment to breathe. Thank you for spending this time with me. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.
because even silence